What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna go over to Tyler's house and discuss over the upcoming possible season for Tyler in the sprint car. Nonetheless, show you around what's been happening and what's been done to the car and what needs to be done and the possible upcoming schedule once again. So let's get after it. It's a super fell when you take a photo. So we met at Tyler's garage. This is Tyler.
I'm the unskilled driver that we hope to make some accomplishments with, and this is my 02 J&J sprint car. It's a little bit older, but it's my first sprint car after coming out of go-karts for 15 years or so. We're gonna give it a shot. Tore this thing down to a bare chassis, powder coated everything, some new Penske shocks, all new torsion bars, all new seat, safety gear, safety first. Gonna try to get racing around October or so and go from there. Pretty much everything's new on the car. Went through the engine, valve springs, new, all that stuff, just to try to make sure everything's reliable and make some laps and stay out of the way the first few times, I suppose.
Right. So you said powder coat, right? You took it all the way down to bare chassis, right? And then you powder coated.
Correct.
Right. New safety equipment because it looked kind of. Where's it at? This one? Is this it?
Those are old belts. I got an old seat too.
Like,
if you want to use that.
Old belts. Where's what else?
Old seat.
Where's it at?
Old seats in the shed.
Okay, well, not searching for that.
New seat is in the car.
Yeah, he's got his new Butler belt seat. You got a new steering wheel, right?
Oh yeah.
So, brake cylinders. What was the last thing that was done? Probably. Rookie. So torsion bars. You just got done. Right.
Got done putting new bushings, new torsion bars, all that good stuff. I just painted this up, Dale, yeah.
You just got new front end tires.
New set of Kaiser wheels, brand new Hoosiers.
Because those old ones are back here.
Yeah, we're a little outdated on the Goodyear Eagles.
Yeah. Eagles over the Hoosiers. Like, who do you want to take? It could be like, what year was it when the NASCAR did the whole Hoosier choice or like Goodyear choice and like 3 people died? I'm just stating facts. People died that year. They died during practice. It is serious business. So you're still working on the fuel cell? Just gonna sand it down.
Just gotta paint it.
Paint it down, primer.
And we're gonna get it off to Wicked Race Designs to have them wrap it for us.
That's right.
Give them
Wicked Race
a shout out.
Design. Wicked. What was it?
Wicked Race Designs.
Wicked Race Designs.
Out of here in Jacksonville, Florida.
Yep.
Travis Roden.
And it's raining in the background.
Yeah.
Well, it's starting to thunder.
That's beautiful Florida weather.
Yeah. Old wheel.
Old bent wheel.
Is it bent? Where's it
It is
bent?
bent.
Oh yeah, you can see it on the hub. Compared to this guy.
Brand new Fancy.
Yeah. It's a project, right? Nonetheless, expensive project.
Mind you, we're working out of a 2-car garage here because we're poor.
Budget bill.
Don't mind the Z06 in the background. We're poor.
He's not poor. He might be. I don't know. After this.
We're balling on a budget.
After this, you might be poor.
Can't even afford to shave.
Why would you even want to afford a shave?
Right.
Why? Who would even want to shave? Would you want to shave? Actually, don't answer that. Don't even answer that. I feel like, you know what? That's a whole different conversation. What else are you waiting for, though? Besides, the main thing.
The rear end.
The rear
What a
end.
debacle so
Yes.
far.
So
we will have a brand new, to me, winner's quick change in it here soon. And then we'll be able to get this thing on the ground and start tuning and get out to the track and turn some laps and hope everything goes well, work all the bugs out. Hope to be racing at Volusia Speedway on October 17th is the goal. If not, there's a race in November as well, but Volusia looks like it's going to be our
it's 2 months
first
out,
place,
so you still got enough time.
a little time.
What you were talking about, renting out a track, what are you going to do, like city or?
Yeah, I'll probably rent out Alltech or one of those tracks just to get some seat time and make sure I know what I'm doing.
And to stay out of people's ways?
Know how to stay out of people's way.
But, I mean, you're also talking to the 20, I'm just kidding. The 20, what, 14?
2012.
2012?
2012 Volusia kart champion right here. This guy. It's only 8 years later, you know.
I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I wasn't part of the crew then.
You were.
I was in spirits. I was in spirits. No, I was actually, other than that, that's it, right?
Yeah, sorry, just getting emotional, you know. Just
reminiscing about the good glory days.
Yeah, the glory days.
So you said you were planning on racing at Volusia, EASTBAY, what the series at the
Top Gun Sprints, Florida Top Guns.
Florida Top Gun Sprints, and they fall.
Guns. EASTBAY, Alltech, Clewiston, Volusia. We'll be here, there, and everywhere. Trying to get it done. Try to do a couple races this year and run a full schedule next year.
For rookie?
If we're going to go for Rookie of the Year next year. Hope everything works out there. Try to keep everything in one piece because we don't have a whole lot of spares right now.
No.
So, you know, we got what we got, and that's what it is. So.
I mean, you got a damn race car. Let's put that. How many people can say that?
Well, we don't have a second race car for if this one goes tumbling down the front stretch.
Which it won't. Which it won't. All right, we're gonna try to pull a Kyle Larson with what, a 2-year-old chassis?
Yeah, 2-year-old. Except for this one's what? Yeah.
It's legal.
18
legal.
years old. This thing's legal now.
She's barely legal. I'm not saying I'm gonna come out here and find you. No, nothing. What else, man? What else do we gotta do to be race ready?
We gotta just
I think we hit.
throw some paint on the body panels and
Waiting for that wrap.
get the wrap done and get that rear end in. Just do some tuning. Appreciate all the help from Scott Zimmerman so far. Another Top Gun racer.
It's been a whole lot of help.
Been a whole
so
lot
far.
of help to us. Getting everything squared away, learning me the stuff I need to learn. You know, I'm sure he'll continue that support.
Well, he did say he wants us to pit with them, so that's mad respect.
Yeah, the more competition out there, the better.
Yeah.
As long as we ain't in the way. Just a couple of West Side boys trying to do.
I ain't West Side. Hold on. First of all, hold on.
Can't thank my parents enough too for all this. You know, they helping out a little bit, supporting everything, and staying behind me.
Yeah. Speaking of, your mom threw down her sponsorship package of dinner and beer.
Yeah, she did. Mom threw down some dinner and beer.
She's
tonight.
in the. She's
Oh
over.
yeah, we're gonna give Mom a shout out real quick. She paid me not to do this, so we're going to anyways.
We're gonna do it anyways.
Thanks, Mom.
Love you.